doing? Leia's in her new box. We got her all kinds of toys, and she's sitting in. Look, we got a kitchen, and Leia's sitting in her new box. That's all she wants to play with is her box. And look who's here! Hi, Auntie Melissa's here. Whoops! And look who else is here. Oh, this is Sam. Sam. You want to get in the box too?
You do. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Whoops.
You're safe.
Good job, Sam. Good recovery. Nice work. Here we go. Let's try that again. Get in. Let's see if we can do it together.
I'm just worried about a head smash.
Oh, I think that's a no from Leia. I think that's a no.
Then I'll take the ice cream.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.